Good morning students. English grammar class 3rd lesson 7 the adverbs kinds of adverbs. Definition: an adverb is a word which adds to the meaning of a verb and tells us how a thing is done, when it is done or where it is done. The old man walked slowly. Sita sang sweetly. The horse runs fast. So here the words like slowly, sweetly and fast, they are describing the action about the noun. Kinds of adverbs. Adverbs of manner. The words which show the manner in which some action is done are called adverbs of manner. So in a sentence where the action is done, the verbs, they are in the category of adverbs of manner. Example: the children played happily. The soldiers fought bravely. It answers the questions how. Adverbs of time. The words which add something to the meaning of the verbs at what time the action is done, such adverbs are called adverbs of time. It answers the question when. Example: you must go there tomorrow. He came here yesterday. So tomorrow and yesterday, they are describing about the time, that at what time they have to go there. Adverbs of place. The words which show where an action is done, such adverbs are called adverbs of place. Here, everywhere, there, forward, etc. Example: my mother is going upstairs. He lives here. The sky is above. It answers the question where. So whenever the action is done, it defines the place. At what place, at where the action is taking place. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs of manner. So choose the words from the box. First, the birds sang merrily. Second, the soldiers fought bravely. Third, the children played happily. Fourth, little Anil ran quickly. Fifth, the hungry man ate greedily. Sixth, the plane landed safely. Exercise 2. Underline the adverbs of time in the following sentences. First, we rise early. Early. Second, you sleep late. Late. Third, you must go there tomorrow. Tomorrow. Fourth, he came here yesterday. Yesterday. Fifth, he has not come today. Today. Sixth, she will come soon. Soon. 7. He comes here daily. Daily. 8. We shall now begin to read. Now. 9. I have heard this before. Before. 10. Lately he has become lazy. Lately. 11. Come here at once, Sunil. At. 12. He has already come. Already. So we have underlined the adverbs of time. Exercise 3rd. Pick out the adverbs of place in the following sentences. First, all the children played inside. Inside. Second, they all looked up. Up. Third, the sky is above. Above. Fourth, the earth is below. Below. Fifth, she has gone away. Away. Sixth, Ashok is sitting outside. Outside. Seventh, he has gone upstairs. Upstairs. Eighth, I have looked for the book everywhere. Everywhere. Ninth, come in and sit down. In. 10th, walk 3 steps backwards. Backwards. Exercise 4. Fill in each blanks with correct form of the word given in the brackets. The sun is shining dash in the sky. Bright, brightly. Second, mother shouted dash at me for breaking a very pretty vase. Angry, angrily. Third, the children waited dash for the new teacher to arrive. Eager, eagerly. Fourth, the girls ran dash to finish the race. Quick, quickly. Fifth, my sister rocked her baby dash in her arms to make him sleep. Gentle, gently. Exercise 5. Underline the adverbs and tell the kinds of each. First, never speak rudely to anyone. Rudely, adverb of manner. Second, walk forward and then walk back slowly. Forward, adverb of place. Third, the teacher replied angrily. Angrily, adverb of manner. Fourth, Harish is working very hard. Hard, adverb of manner. Fifth, yesterday she wrote her copy book neatly. Yesterday, adverb of time. Sixth, the servant will soon come downstairs. Downstairs, adverb of place. Seventh, he ran back to the other side of the hill. Back, adverb of place. Eighth, he cannot spell these words correctly. Correctly, adverb of manner. Ninth, you came here late today. You must come early tomorrow. Today, tomorrow, adverb of time. 10. My brother comes here daily, but my cousin comes weekly. Daily, weekly, adverb of time. Thank you.